Ella, mire, el video que está volando ahí.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. It's already 11:15. Another day alone. Yung mga anak ko, naiwan sa Madrid. And yung mister ko is may work naman. Well, actually, yesterday we went to the Brussels para makita yung flower carpet. Well, actually, para malipad na rin for the second time around. 8 years ago, nung huli namin punta doon. Dapat magte-train kami. But, unfortunately, hindi kasi siya, parang nagkaroon yata ng aberya. Well, instead of train, magbabas kami sana. And then, sinabi ko nga kay Den yun, sabi niya, instead na magbas tayo, matagal yan, mag-drive na lang, mag-kotse. Gumamit na lang ng kotse niya. Kotse niya, uy, nakiangkas lang kami. And may pinuntahan kami na bahay ng kaibigan ng nanay ko. Well, actually, laging kaibigan. Yung kapatid ng kaibigan ng nanay ko sa Brussels. And then yun, pinakain kami, nag-pizza, Pizza Hut. Nakarating kami dito is around 10:30. Hinatid pala kami na din. Pagdating namin dito, wash up, and then diretso tulog na. And then ngayon pala is pupunta ako sa Delays. Since wala nga yung mister ko, ako lang mag-isa, errands muna ako for today's video. Charot! Hinihintay ko lang yung dumaan yung bus. 11 o'clock kasi yung dadaan na bus papunta sa pupuntahan ko. Good evening, guys. Today is August 19 and it's already 8:25 in the evening. And kung napapansin nyo nga, nandito ako sa kwarto ng dalawa kong anak. And since nasa Madrid pa sila, at this moment, gusto kong ayusin ang kwarto nila para naman magamit yung space. Gusto ko kasi marami siyang space dito. And I don't know, nakikita nyo doon sa pader dito, meron siyang mancha. Well, actually, hindi siya mancha eh. Nandiyan na talaga siya nung dumating kami. And then, ayoko kasing, alam mo yun, parang andugyo tignan. Kaya, bumili ko ng pinturang white. Ito lang naman, itong side lang na to. Para lang mapantay yung kulay niya. Para maging maayos. Tingnan. Good morning, everyone. Today is August 24, 7:50 in the morning, Saturday. And I have a work, of course. Extra, I mean. Well, actually, okay lang naman kasi bukas wala akong work. And 1 week to go para sunduin yung mga anak ko sa Madrid. And then, actually, hindi ako makapagbakasyon that time dahil marami akong tatapusin that week. See you later. Okay, I just want to share with you guys my life over the past year. Lately, I've been quiet whenever I have a big decision in my life, especially when it comes to my family. And first, I lived in Madrid, Spain for 14 years before I decided to move here in Luxembourg. I never been vocal to anyone how I felt when we moved here in Luxembourg. I was so happy because I got the job right away. But I didn't think that the joy I felt that time, hindi pala siya magtatagal. Those people around me that whenever they ask me how I'm doing, I just always say that I'm fine. I'm doing good. Kasi gusto ko panindigan ang desisyon ko na kaya ko kahit ubos na ako. Even if I have a family who always been there for me since then, my children who lightens my days, and my husband who supported and loving me unconditionally. Anxiety and depression is not a joke. I was in emergency because of anxiety, no joke, and no one knows that. You can see me always smiling and happy because I'm a cheerful person. I always think positive. Pero sa kabila ng yun, I'm losing myself. Honestly, it came to a point in my life that I thought of that thing that you shouldn't do in your life. I never thought that anxiety would attack me. Do you know how I healed? I prayed. Sabi ko pa nga kay God, ikaw na po ang bahala sa akin. And yes, He's my 911 whenever I'm falling apart. I never thought I'd be where I am today, free from worry and fear. I changed my mindset and allowed God to renew my mind. God brings me so much peace, and I'm forever grateful for this unconditional love and His peace that surpasses all understanding. And for people who are experiencing anxiety, add daily prayers and devotions for every area of your life. And it helped you to overcome negative thoughts that came across to your mind. Surrender your burdens to our God, and you'll find peace.
Dami para makahinga. Gawa na lang isa. Actually no. Play. Ayaw ko mag-smile kasi baka may tinga. System aalagaan ko.
Tawag ka.
Oh, next week.
No, it's okay. We're good.
It's okay.
We're waiting our...
Tapos pumunta sila ng South America sa October. 2 weeks. 2 weeks yun na.
Allen.
Chismoso. Hello.
Thank you. Hindi niya palalagpasin yan.
Bakit guess what?
Well, guess what?
Because she will order later.
Itlog yan. Lahat yan itlog.
Oh, single ako.
Was back over to my left one. It's short. And the Academy Chargers advance to the PBL, reinforce conference finals in dramatic fashion.
We have to give it to Academy. It wasn't an easy feat. Yes, this was game to have gone either way, but Academy, we should appreciate their effort. They worked hard for this victory.
Stack kami
Hi vlog! Hello guys! Kapitaan po! Ayan! Ganun mahiya, grabe siya. Hello! Masarap.
Yung nilagay sa'yo
Good evening, guys. It's already 7:15, and actually, kakagising ko lang because I took a nap. I'm going to use my... Actually, bubuksan ko siya kasi yung isa na ginagamit ko, na ilagay ko na sa maleta, which is sabi ng mister ko, wag ko na daw dalhin. Kanina pa ako prepared. Nakatulog lang talaga ako. Mga 4 yata or 4:30. Tapos mga, I think 1 hour din ako nakatulog eh. Or less than. Kaya kanina medyo magulo na yung buhok ko. So that's it. See you in Madrid. Today is start na ng bakasyon ko ng 5 days vacation. Kasi susunduin ko yung mga anak ko nga from Madrid. And kanina lang, story time. Kanina pagkagising ko, nagkape, after ko magkape na mag-almusal, naglinis ako ng bahay. Hindi naman siya totally general cleaning kasi araw-araw naman ako naglilinis. Nung Thursday yata or nung Friday, naglinis ako ng buong kusina. Except yung ref namin. So, ang ginawa ko lang is nag-vacuum, naglaba, nagsampay. Yung typical na daily routine ng paglilinis ko, yun ang ginawa ko lang kanina. And then, after, syempre, hindi na maiiwasan yung cellphone. And nanood ako saglit ng Korean novela na pinapanood ko sa Netflix. And then, after nun, I decided na mag-prepare kaagad. Tapos, after kong maligo, medyo inantok ang lola mo. Sabi ko nga sa mister ko, matutulog lang ako ng 30 minutes. Give me 30 minutes. Tapos okay na ulit ako. Manonood ako ng Netflix ulit. Pero, 1 hour pala akong nakatulog. Alam mo yun. Tapos yun nga, nagising ako. Nagkape ulit. Nagkape. And siguro lalabas kami dito ng mister ko, 7:50. Kasi meron pa kaming is-check-in na bagahe na 20 kilos na naman. Yun lang. See you later. See you sa Madrid. Ciao!